Okay, sekarang kita today we want to show you how to use the Hikconnect. So first, you open up your what you call it app. Okay, so we have KTJ right here, Nakia and Irina. So from this right now, we can see the devices. Okay, so forget about this. So we go devices. Okay, so now the repeater R is the repeater, left and repeater right. And then this is the signal bar on the sounder. So you have full signal bar. Battery, all almost full. I think it's a full, not almost full. Okay, these are lithium ion batteries. Battery number 123. After I send a picture with this WhatsApp. So by understanding whether the door is closed, this icon shows that you see the door is open, back right door. This is Nazaruddin. Back right door is the door that you come down from the staircase, from the restaurant or from the shop. That back door, back right door, is the door. The wooden door, which is the back wooden door, is the door that goes upstairs to the hostel. That is also open. This happens all the time. They leave the door open so that they don't have to use the card. Okay? So devices is where you check whether the door is open or closed. But when you open and close the door, you have to refresh it by sliding it down. You see? You sliding it down, you're refreshing the page. It doesn't refresh itself. Let's say you open a door now, you have to slide down, refresh, and you see the door is open. This goes the same for everything. All three locations does the same thing. You can arm meaning arm and stay is the same meaning for this purpose in case. Because you have a remote control, before you come in, you disarm first, and then after you go out, then you arm. If you are a teacher that is allowed to go out at night. But if you are not the teacher, then you won't have this capability because it's only on the app or on the remote control. So now, notification, if you look at the notification, I can filter. Okay? So I want to filter Naziruddin or whatever. Okay? So this notification tells me Naziruddin, see? Car park door is activated. Okay? Disarm automatically for 5:45. It was armed away on Sunday, 23:43. You see? There's a history right here. Back door was open, 12 o'clock. You see that? So the alarm triggered. Okay? Alarm triggered, right? And disarmed by this person. PNI SB9. This is, I think, Satya. Because he used the PNI SB9 account because I had to program for him and he's not around. So I had to use one of my emails. So the notification can be checked by just filtering it. Okay, so we go back to here. So we go back up, we filter. Let's see Nakia, okay. Anything happening now? Okay. Nakia is arm, disarm is always the correct time. You see? Not much happening there. Only the one happening most is Nazimuddin because people tend to come back late and go out late or something like that. Irina also doesn't happen that much because there also nobody goes out late or come back late. So So by hitting the filter, it'll tell you all the notification. The notification basically tells you if the lock is, if the battery is low, it keep repeating itself. You know what I'm saying? That. So these are the things that you can use to check the system. So if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Thank you.